Hey guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. Today we are doing some autumn crafts. Oh yes, we are. We are indeed. I'm not sure. I'm tired. I say I'm running off less sleep than anything, but I think I'm sleeping about 16 to 20 hours a day sometimes. Yeah. Today we are going to be using this, and I have a whole bag of conkers that I have pre-cleaned and oven baked to harden, ready to be turned into something very mystical and magical. What I'm going to be making is sort of like a candle wreath. So I'm going to have the wood bit down as the base, the conkers around, and then you can have a candle inside. If it turns out well enough, it's going to be sold on my Etsy, which I will link down below if it turns out well. And then I'll make another one as well, so I can have two. So we're going to get on with that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are subscribed, leave a like on the video and leave me a comment, and we'll get into the video whichever way I feel like. So I've heated my glue gun up. I have this whole lovely basket of conkers. I hope that's going to be enough for now. There's about 150 in here, and I'm going to just cover the surrounding edges of my plank of wood thing. So yes, that's where we're going to start. So I'm going to put some glue down now that my glue gun's started to heat up. Start on the outer edge, and I'm going to work my way probably about 2 conkers in, so then I've got enough, I can have a fairly nice candle in the middle. Okay, that one didn't go the right way up, but that's fine because we're going to be doing like another layer on top anyway, so that's not an issue. But yes, I'll keep going round and I'll come back to you when we've done this bit. So that's our first little bit done, so I'm just going to do the inside. I think I might do one more layer. Yeah, I think if I do one more layer, then I've still got enough to fit the candle, and these aren't moving. I think that might bulk it out before then we start going on top of the wreath. I'm going to class it as a wreath. I don't know if it is a wreath, but it's going to be a wreath. Candle wreath. So yes, one more layer. Right, there we go. So that is our bottom layer. So what we need to do now, start working and building it up a bit, and if I can, hopefully it's going to dome a little bit. So I'm going to work it into just being these 2 sections to fill that particular gap in, and then we'll do one more on the top. Hopefully it's going to look alright. So let's get started on that. but we'll get started. Let's take these leaves back out. Oh. Oh, also, I cannot find my glue sticks for my glue gun, so we're using super glue. Yeah, it was fun last time trying to glue this one on with it. Oh, there's quite a bit there. Ah, we can cover that. So we've done the outside now. I'm going to do the inside of the camera. There's just a few little glue marks inside, not many. But I'll try and show you. So I think there's still super glue on here and I'm getting stuck to everything. Ow. I think this little bit's like part of my favourite because you can still see most of the conkers. But it looks like a right mess on camera to me. It might look better when I'm actually editing. But I think I'm gonna have to do a redemption on this. This is definitely one that's going to be staying with me, or if any family members would like it, we'll find out. But as I said, I've lost the lacquer, so I can't spray it just yet. So I'm going to do another video where I spray it and get the lacquer on, you know, and hopefully it'll look a lot nicer. But at the moment, it's not too bad for a first attempt of trying to do what I want to do. Does that make sense? That makes sense. Probably not. Probably not, no. But yes, that's the first bit, so I'm just going to do the inside now, and I will see you when it's done. Bye! So that was our finished project. Oh, it looks nicer now. Yeah, So this is what we've come up with at the moment. I am going to make another, as I said, and I'm going to lacquer this, so I'll be giving you an update of how this looks once I've found my lacquer. I'm hoping it'll look a lot nicer, and maybe I can sell this one. But yes, it's gorgeous. I actually do like this now, especially in this light. This ring light makes everything look amazing. Yes. So we've made this now, and this is what we finished with. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you click that subscribe button and the bell for any notifications of my next videos, and also leave me a like and any comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.